Hi and welcome to this video on the Identifire range of products. Before we start, click the subscribe button and then the bell icon to be notified of all of our new video content. The Identifire products have been developed to provide a variety of sleek, aesthetically pleasing evacuation and alarm accessories that offer a consistent look and feel across the entire range. Now you'll spot straight away that the unique thing about this range of products is that they all follow the same simple design concept of a single gang box size and shape. They also allow for both flush and surface mounting across the range. And this unique flush mounting ability and square form gives this range continuity and an aesthetic edge over other similar products. The Identifire range comes in 6 distinct product types: the Vid Beacon, the Tritone Sounder, the Tritone Sounder with Vid Beacon, the remote lamp unit, the auxiliary relay unit, and the system connection box. Let's take a close look at each of these in turn. The Vid Beacon is suitable for use on conventional and 2-wire fire systems as an ancillary visual alarm. As with all of the products in the Identifire range, the unit is designed to fit any recessed single gang box, giving a flush finish or surface mounted using the optional surface mounting back box. The unit provides a bright flash via its integral LED and comes in a choice of 2 case colours: a red case with either a red or clear lens, or a white case that comes with either a red, clear, amber, green or blue lens. The Tritone Sounder is suitable for conventional sounder circuits and 2-wire alarm systems, and its low operating current means it can easily be interfaced onto analog addressable fire alarm systems with a suitable output module such as our CHQ DSC2 SCI dual sounder controller. The unit comes in either red or white and produces a sound output of between 86 and 96 dBA. The Tritone Sounder with Vid Beacon is again designed for conventional and 2-wire fire alarm systems and is an ideal solution for environments that require a discrete but effective audio and visual alarm in one device. It can deliver the same sound output as the Tritone Sounder, up to 96 dBA, and comes with a bright LED-driven beacon. The unit comes in a choice of 2 case colours: a red case with either a red or clear lens, or a white case that comes with either a red, clear, amber, green or blue lens. And these are available both as flush and surface fit, giving the installer 14 variants to choose from for complete flexibility. The remote lamp unit is designed for both conventional and analog addressable fire alarm systems and provides a visual indicator of an activation. The unit also comes as a combined visual indicator with an audible buzzer and can be easily retrofitted to existing systems or incorporated as part of a new installation. The auxiliary relay unit allows other equipment to be activated or deactivated during a fire alarm condition. The product offers an 8-amp rating and features a red LED that will illuminate when the product has been energized and both contacts have changed state. Again, this unit is available in either red or white. And finally, the system connection box is a robust connection box enabling installers and designers to extend or terminate system wiring. It's available in red or white and is surface mounted. The Identifire products are produced to the highest standards of engineering and design and are EN 54 Part 3 approved where appropriate, ensuring compliance with CPR regulations and offering peace of mind for specifiers and installers. And with the consistent product size and shape, packaging has been reduced and simplified to be less impactful on the environment and at the same time save costs in shipping and storage. Thank you for watching this video on the Identifire range of products. We hope it's been useful. You can visit our website at the address that will appear on screen in a moment, where you can find further information. And don't forget, you can also follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook to keep up to date with our latest news. See you next time.